Hi there, let's check out Anytype's search and tags. So this Anytype tutorial, I'm using the Anytype Beta version 0.37.3, and in the beta versions, the search feature is not fully functional. So it's only searching text that appears in the title and the body of your page, and also it will show up if the description is a featured relation. So if you click on the triangle in the top right, you'll see the relations for your page. And if the description does have that yellow star next to it, the keyword search should work. Okay, I'm going to show you a few different pages and putting the keyword in different areas so you can see what I mean by the search results not showing up. So for this one, January 3rd, I'm going to put the word jelly bean in the title of the page. And then for this January 2nd, I'm going to put the word jelly bean in the body of the page. And then we'll go back here, and for January 1st, for this one, I'm going to the relations, and right now I don't have it starred, so I'm going to put jelly bean in the description. And then let's take a look at okay, and then I'm going to show the description here in the grid view so we can remember where I put stuff. And now in the search, I'm going to search for jelly bean, and you can see the keyword search only pops up for January 3rd, which had it in the title of the page, and then January 2nd, which had it in the body of the page. So January 1st didn't show up because it was in the description, but the description was not starred. Now I'm going to make one more, and this is what you'll usually use in Anytype. So if you put a relation called a tag, which you can make it whatever you want. So I'm going to call this one jelly bean to be consistent. And now that the tag is a separate part of the page. Okay, so now we're going to make a set. Now the set is really like a filtered search. So you can put in a relation and it will return everything that has that relation, but it looks like a database view. So if I put in last modified date as a relation, you can have all different objects in here. And let's put new filter here so that we can see. I'm going to put under here, instead of name, I want tag. So any object that has, and I'm choosing the words has any of, and then you have to select add. And so here I'm going to select jelly bean. And right now it's filtering. So the only thing that came up is my one page, January 4th, which had jelly bean as a tag. Okay, so jelly bean wasn't in the title or the body. So this filtered search, which is a set, is only searching for any objects that have the tag of jelly bean. Now, there are many different ways to use sets and tags, and I'm just showing you the way that I use it because I like to use collections as simple folders, and this is the easiest way for me in the beta version to search for things that don't show up in a keyword search, is by using a set as a filtered search.